Hey gang, yeah, that's me, Jeb. And what you're looking at are the 14 machines, but we've seen these machines before. There's a 338, a 337, a 478 or a 448. There is another 401 in there. There's a 414G, a 404. In the case at the top is a Singer 237. So that one, I'm going to get it out of the case, and that's going to be the one that I go to next, because that's the sister machine, the zigzag machine to the 239 that I was just working with. Whole bunch more machines. Now in my apartment I have 28 machines, because I already had 14 machines in here. Now I just brought in another 14 today. But they're going to go, a lot of these machines are going to go down in the storage lockers. Probably end up having a nucleus of 4 or 5 machines that I'm working on for the next month or 2 or 3. Here is the 237 that I'm going to make the next video about. This is going to be the machine that I make the next video about, and going to get it oiled and cleaned. That's a little bit of a heads up of what's coming soon. So I'll be working on the 237. I'm going to get back and do something with the 201 next on its list. Still have this tendency to want to check out the hook on the 201. The 414G and the 404 and another 401, they're all here now. Their time will come, after a number of weeks. Thanks for watching. I hope you're having a good time with your machines, having fun. Have fun, stay safe. Adios amigos.